Hello, my name is Bob Mack, Principal Broker and owner of Advanced Solutions Property Management. I'm here today to discuss why you should use my company to help you manage your rental properties. The main reasons you should work with us are our experience, our perspective as property investors, our systems approach to management, our certifications, and our staff. The leadership team has over 65 years combined experience managing rental properties. We have experience in all types of residential and commercial applications. We are able to professionally interact with owners and tenants. If you are having problems, we have probably solved it for other clients. Our leasing staff is able to set rental rates. We are able to conduct thorough market study in order to set the rental price for your property, ensuring that you achieve the perfect balance between maximizing monthly income and maintaining a low vacancy rate. We will also be able to market your property and know how to craft compelling advertising. As landlords ourselves, we see things from an owner's point of view and are constantly asking, what would the owner do? We use the latest technology that allows us to effectively market and manage our assets. ASPM's robust online capabilities mean you have on-demand access to financial statements, monthly summaries, year-end tax statements, and important documents from anywhere at any time. It also means you can make and receive payments from your mobile-friendly owner portal. Renters can submit maintenance requests directly from their online portals. When your units are vacant, we are able to provide a weekly report including market activity and prospective tenant feedback on your rental unit. All activities carried out by ASPM, either daily or monthly, are strictly defined by ASPM procedures. These procedures assure that the right thing happens at the right time. We are also constantly involved with process improvement, with procedure development and staff training. ASPM owners and property managers are certified commercial advisors. This designation allows us to assist our clients with their management needs professionally, whether they are landlords, sellers, buyers, tenants, or investors. As a management company, we get many calls from frustrated owners who are ready to step away from their rental business. We understand the aggravations of dealing with rental properties. At ASPM, we have proven systems and procedures to handle all aspects of managing your property. If you are thinking about calling in for professional help, we would be more than happy to discuss your situation.